Hello, my name is Alfred Bosch. I am a Catalan and I am Member of Parliament in Spanish Congress, representing a pro-independence coalition headed by the Catalan Republican Left. On April 11th, our 3 Catalan members of Congress, were expelled from the Spanish chamber. Why? Well, the reason was that we were speaking our native tongue. We were speaking in Catalan.
Avui fa 20 anys...
Senyor Tardà.
Ahir la senyora Aran deia si recuperaria els seus estalvis en preferent.
Le llamo al orden por segunda vez.
Segons les Nacions Unides, són aquests...
Señora Jordá, tiene usted que volver al castellano.
Le ruego, le pediría, por favor, si es posible, que me lea el artículo, a los señores letrados, el artículo del reglamento de la Cámara que...
Señora Jordá, no debata usted con la presidencia. Le ruego, cumpla estrictamente las normas que se aplican en la Cámara. Si vuelve usted al catalán, siento decirle, tiene que abandonar la tribuna.
Now, the President of the Chamber was warning us that the rules of Spanish Congress did not allow us to speak in Catalan. We were arguing that there is not such a rule, and that's the truth. There's no rule in Spanish Congress which talks about Catalan or Spanish or any other language. That doesn't exist.
Bien, le llamo al orden por tercera vez. No tiene usted la palabra y le ruego que abandone la tribuna. Señor diputado, le llamo al orden por tercera vez y le ruego que abandone la tribuna.
Señora Jordá, ya se lo he avisado, abandone la tribuna.
Now, how can they expel us if that's not foreseen in the rules of the chamber? Well, in actual fact, the problem is that still nowadays, Spanish power will not accept difference. It will not accept different languages or different nations within its boundaries. And that's why, partly, we demand a state for ourselves. We want a Catalan Republic.